In this video, we're going to take a look at how to update our contact poster on an iPhone inside of iOS 17. The first thing that we want to do is make sure that we're updated to the latest release. Apple released iOS 17 recently, and I made a video showing you how to do that, so I'll put a link here and down below in the description. Once you're updated, make sure that you're signed in and using your Apple ID on your iPhone. Now that we're ready, let's get started. First, open the Contacts app. At the top, choose your name or where it says My Card. You'll need to make sure that first your name is correct inside of here and that your phone number is also correct and attached. If you need to make any edits or adjustments to those, just tap Edit on the top right here and then go ahead and make them. When you're finished, just make sure that you hit Done or Save. Once you've confirmed your name and your phone number, tap Contact Photo and Poster right here. After that, on the next screen, tap Edit. Yours is probably going to show your old photo or your initials, but the Edit button will be in the same place. Since you're creating your first poster, tap the plus sign on the bottom right to create a new one. Inside of here, you're going to have your customizable options. To choose the poster or the background image, you have a few choices. You can take a new one with your camera, choose one from your photos library, choose and model a memoji, or just choose a monogram with your initials. Make your choice, and then on the next screen, you can make some more edits. You can swipe to see different color styles that are available, and you can pinch to crop or move the image. Tap your name here at the top, and you can change the font, the weight, and the color of your text. When you're finished making your edits, tap Done on the top right. You can then preview your contact poster and then tap Continue. Next, you'll be choosing and editing your contact photo, where you can crop or move this around, or you can choose a different photo at the bottom to select a different one. Once you're done editing and saving, you'll then be back at the contact photo and poster page. Make sure that name and photo sharing here is enabled so that other users on iOS 17 can see your updates, and then make sure the way that your name appears is how you want it. Finally, select Share Automatically, and then choose whether or not you want this update to show to all the other users on iOS 17. You can select Contacts Only, which will do it automatically, or Always Ask, where it'll only update once you're on a call or a message with someone and you manually update it there. For the most part though, you probably just want to keep this on Contacts Only. Once you're finished, save or hit Done, and you can close the Contacts app. And that's how you personalize your contact poster and photo on an iPhone with iOS 17.